The Lindenwood University Library Services does not have access to every article or book, but if we don't have something that you need, we would be happy to try to find a copy for you. The service that finds items that we don't have is called Interlibrary Loan. So let's start with a journal article. Let's say that I found an article citation and I would now like to see if the library has that article. I would start my search by seeing if we have access to the journal by clicking on the journal's link from the library homepage and searching for the particular journal. For my example, I would do a search for organizational dynamics. I would see that we have access to the journal, but I realized by looking at the different databases that we only have access to organizational dynamics up to 2001. Since my article was published in 2017, I would need to request the article through Interlibrary Loan. To do so, I would go to the library homepage and scroll to the Request section. Since I am wanting to request an article, I would click the Article button. A form should load that will ask you for your contact information and Lindenwood University affiliation. The next question is about if you would be willing to pay for the article. No matter what your answer is, we will always contact you if there is a charge for an item, before we would bill you. Most items do not have a charge. Below that question is where you would put the information about the article that you would like. Please fill out as much information about your article as you can, as this will speed up the process of finding it and then emailing it to you. Article requests usually take 1 to 3 business days, though it can take longer. If you are looking for a book, you should check in our library's catalog and in Mobius catalog before submitting an interlibrary loan request. Mobius allows you to borrow books from other libraries and usually only takes 4 to 6 business days to arrive. To learn about Mobius, please watch the Requesting Books Through Mobius tutorial. If the book is not available through Mobius, then you should request the book through Interlibrary Loan. The form you will fill out will be similar to the form you filled out for an article request. Depending on where the book is coming from, Interlibrary Loan book requests can take 1 to 3 weeks. If you have questions about Interlibrary Loan or aren't sure if the library has access to an item, please contact the library.